Kenyans are counting down. It's just a matter of hours before they cast their ballots to determine who will become the president of this country and other leaders of this country for the next 5 years. It's a work day here in Nairobi, but if you look at in the background, there are not as many people. Nairobi on a Monday usually will be very, very crowded, people going up and down the streets. But a day before the elections, a great number of people have traveled to go and vote in the areas they registered to vote. Now, many go to their ancestral lands. I passed by bus stations this morning, and indeed, there were so many people there lined up to catch the buses to take them back to their home areas so they can vote there on Tuesday. In fact, even to areas where their flights. I call some of the offices and they tell us they were fully booked because everybody's trying to get to their areas of voting. Now, an update for this day is that the biggest activity for the Electoral Commission officials now is to deliver the ballot boxes and ballot papers to the different polling stations all across the country. Different regions have already received their ballot boxes and ballot papers. There are a few others from reports we get that hadn't received their ballot papers by early morning, but officials have assured and guaranteed the citizens that the boxes and ballot papers will be at the polling stations sometime today, probably before the end of the day, and therefore they should be in place, in position for the process as it begins very early on Tuesday. Well, in terms of security, the government has said that it has deployed law enforcement officials all around the country. They say they do not anticipate any situation of violence, but just in case of anything, they have deployed a necessary law enforcement officials to different parts of the country who will take care of any situation that may arise. In terms of the citizenry, they say they do not expect anything abnormal. They hope to have a very smooth process as they cast their ballots on Tuesday, and that after that, the results should be accepted by all who participate. Those who lose should accept their loss and indeed concede to those who win, because as they argue, this country will exist after the 9th of August this year, and none of them has the appetite to go back to the violence that was witnessed in 2007, or for that matter, some of the skirmishes that we saw in 2017. So all eyes are on the IEBC, the Electoral Commission body, to see how well they have organized the process and how well and smoothly the process will go down on Tuesday, August the 9th. This is Vincent Makori, VOA News, Nairobi, Kenya.